Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this blue aesthetic color grading on CapCut. So you can start by adding your video and head to the filter. Go to the night scene category and select this orange blue filter and set it to around 40. Now go to adjust, and here you can go to click on contrast and increase it to 12, and also the saturation, brilliance, lower it to -10, sharpness, let's increase it to around 20. Then click on the shadow and lower it to -10 to 15. That depends on your video. And lastly, click on the temperature and increase it to around 25. And you are done. So this will be the result. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.